Hello friends, my name is Gajanan Kale and I am from Maharashtra, India. Well, as you all know, I am striving to learn English, and in this video I am going to talk about present continuous passive sentences. See, most of people know what is passive, but they are confused to make some sentences because sometimes we are very confused in active and passive voices. The reason behind is this: when we were taught in school time, we have taught like this. In active sentences we have subject, verb and the remaining object. So the remaining object of the active sentences, we have to use that active object as a subject in the passive. So that process is very confusing and we were taught like this. So this is the reason most people are confused. But in this video I am going to tell you a little short trick which will help you to understand betterly what is subject and how can we take any subject, and with using that any subject how we can use helping verb, and that helping verb, after that we have to, you all know, when we talk about passive sentences, so that time we have to use third form of verb. The structure of passive sentences is passive present continuous tense is this: subject plus is mr plus being and third form of verb. So whenever we are talking about any continuous action that is currently going on, so that time we have to use, after helping verb according to the subject, we have to use being plus third form of verb, and after the being and third form, when we finish this, that time we have to use the remaining object. So just suppose right now I have this pen. So this pen means we will take this pen as a subject, because see, passive means what? Whatever subject you are using in the sentence, that subject is not going to work any action. In C, the biggest difference between active and passive voice is this: when we talk about active sentences, so the subject in active sentences is performing the particular task which is being spoken about that subject. Just suppose I will give you one example about active sentences. So the first example, I am talking. So the action of talking is going on. See, you can notice it. When I say I am talking, this is an active sentence. And just suppose you are watching. So you means you are doing one activity, that is watching. So these are the active sentences. But when we talk about, means we are doing something, I am talking, you are watching, you are listening. So these are the three activities are happening right now. So these are the, means the subject is doing something. Means yes, so the subject is doing something in active sentences. Not physical activity but mental activity, means you are doing, means watching with your eyes, so it is actually a work. Thinking is also work. If you do not doing any action but you are thinking, that means it is action. And the when we say about passive sentences, so passive sentence, in that sentences, this whatever subject we are using in passive sentences, so that subject is not going to perform any task. The work is being done on that thing, on that subject. So as I am saying, I was saying about the pen. Just suppose means I am writing letter so with using this pen. So what how will I say the sentence? The letter being written, the letter is being written by this pen. Or you could say, if I want to make this pen as a subject, the pen is brought. Or if I want to make continuous, the pen is being purchased. So if you went on shop and you want to purchase this type of pen, so you will go on shop and you will ask that man, please give me this pen. So the man will give you, and when the man starts giving you this pen, so you will you could say the pen is being purchased by me. So means whatever you know, whatever things you know, you can make them as a subject in English verb, English language, and just try to use that subject with according proper helping verb. So most of you know what is helping verb. Helping verb is, am and are. When we talk about ourselves, that is first person I, that time we have to use am. And after that, when we talk about he, she, it, and any single name, that time we have to use is. Or when we talk about two or more persons, that time we have to need to use are. So these are the helping words that we have to use in present continuous tense of passive sentences. So here some means I will give you some more examples about passive sentences. So whenever you will start making passive continuous present tense sentences, so it will help you. Just suppose we take computer as a subject, so we will say the computer is being operated by me. The computer is being operated by me, because the computer is single subject, so that is why I have used is here. Just suppose there are three boys and they are playing cricket. Just suppose this is an example. So how we will make this sentence? The cricket, just suppose we want to make subject as a cricket, the cricket is being played by these boys. See, the sentences are very easy, but once you know how to use subject according to the tense, then passive sentences are very easy. And do not get confused in active and voice. Just clear your confusion point. That's it for this video. I hope you have understood what is passive in shortly. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I will keep doing this video. And yesterday I have made a story. That story I will continue in next video. So once again, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care.